At night, you leave your trash outside. A bag, a box, food waste, plastic, recycling, cardboard. You leave it by the street or outside your building, and you go back inside. You lock the door. You wash up. You go to sleep. And by morning, it's gone. Not later. Not tomorrow. Gone. Overnight. In Korea, this happens all the time. At night, the streets are lined with bags, boxes, recycling, food waste. But by morning, it looks different. Clean, quiet, ready, no piles, no smell, no mess. And after living in Korea, you stop noticing it because it feels normal. You throw things away, and somehow they disappear. It feels automatic. But it isn't. While you were sleeping, someone was already there. Someone collected it. Someone sorted it. Someone separated plastic, paper, glass, food waste. Someone loaded trucks. Someone moved it away. Street by street, building by building. Before sunrise, before alarms, before the city wakes up. And by morning, everything feels clean. Ready, reset. That's the part most people never see. You see clean streets, clean sidewalks, clean buildings, clean neighborhoods. But behind that, someone was already working. And after living in Korea, you start to feel it. Not just with trash, but in daily life, things disappear. Things get cleaned. Things get reset. And you barely notice. Because it keeps happening. Every day, every night. And maybe that's the strange part. A city that resets itself while you sleep. And that's why you wake up and everything feels ready. But have you ever wondered who keeps the city this clean?